Somebody kindly donated this by throwing it in my garden, which is a bit disturbing because my garden's quite remote and it's only a neighbour that could have done it. Nice. Started crushing it to get the battery out because you can't just throw these things into the waste, they cause fires. And I thought, I know, I'll do a quick video essay. As you can see, this is a rechargeable one. Single-use vapes are supposed to be banned in the UK. So it's surprisingly hard to get into. As you see, we're making a few inroads. That's the top end of the battery, and that black thing you can see by the screwdriver was the casing that was wrapped around it. And you have to be careful here. You don't want any nasty accidents with these batteries. As you can see, I finally got it out. That black stuff is like a Kaptan tape. That's the circuit board, and that's surprisingly complex because not only does it have to charge the battery and monitor its temperature, because it's next to a heated thing, it has to control the heating element for the thing that vaporizes a vape liquid. And as you can see, it's compartmented to keep that compartment with the vape liquid separate from the battery. Obviously, this circuit board is not usable, and I never anticipated getting anything workable off it anyway. I just wanted the battery out, but I thought this would just be an interesting video to have a look at. See what's inside these things. That's the vape fluid reservoir. And all that, of course, can go safely in the bin. And the battery, I might be able to find if there's any usable capacity in that battery and put it in something else. Thanks for watching. Bye.